Alright folks, pulling into the Kawit Public Market right here. There you go. Look around. Little town of Kawit. I'm going to show you how to get to my friend Alan's shop. It's right back through there, and then you take a right. So I'm going to take you over there. Oh, first I got to take my trash out. I tell you, I'm taking my trash out here, using the market as my trash dump. All right, I gotta go see my friend Alan. Just a look around, and we got an Angel Burger across the street, bake shops, pretty much everything you want. But you know, it's a smaller town, smaller market. But I'm going to show you, just cut that right down through here, and I've got to go. Hello, how are you? Cut the big camera out, so making a scene. But here's the Kawit Public Market. There's my dump site right there. So what I'm going to do is play it cool. I'm going to come over here and get a beer at my friend Alan's store right here, APJP store. This is where I come sit, and there's the Rachel, beautiful Rachel. So we got to go get a beer right here at my friend Alan's shop. And we missed lunch today, but we're gonna come back tomorrow. There's my buddy Alan. Hello, my friend. Well, folks, my wife went over there and she come back with a snack. And this is in the Philippines what they call banana cue. And this is basically like a deep fried banana with a little bit of caramelized sugar on it. But I'm going to tell you, these are huge bananas. This damn thing weighs probably 2 or 3 pounds. That is some of the best looking banana cue that I've seen in the Philippines. And so I told her tomorrow when she goes to the shop, I'm going to come with her and take a video of it and show you. But folks, that thing's like lifting weights. I mean, that's probably 4 pounds right there. And she says, is it good or delicious? She says it's absolutely delicious. I may try this later. The only reason I'm not trying it, I mean, like I've said before, I eat one time a day at night, and I don't deviate from that. I certainly want to eat this, and I may take one home and eat it later. Look at that. That thing, god damn, that thing is huge. It's got to weigh, I would say 3 pounds realistically. That's about 3 pounds of pure deliciousness right there. My god, they call it banana cue, and they also make kamote cue, which is like sweet potato fried like this. But they're both just delicious delicacies. I'll show you the shop later on.